In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to take a photo with your Apple Watch. So you can't take a photo directly with the Apple Watch since it has no built-in camera feature, but you can use it as a remote control for your iPhone's camera. And here's how to do it. So press the crown to open the app library. In app library, if you scroll down, here you will find this camera app. Just tap on the camera and then your Apple Watch will be connected with your iPhone camera. Now you can tap on this three dot and here you can set a timer for your camera by turning on this option. And here we can see the camera. You can select front or rear camera. I'm selecting front camera for example, and also from here you can turn on or off flashlight. You can turn on or off live photo option. Then tap on done. And here you can see my iPhone camera opened and my iPhone camera is now showing on my Apple Watch. Now I can tap on this capture icon to capture the photo, and here is the photo. So that's how you can actually take photo with our Apple Watch.